Ever wonder how collabs are created or started in the lab?
E equal MC squared. MC squared equals Mariah Carey. X Mac Cosmetics.
Ever wonder why this particular person put these shadows into a palette, but don't have an explanation why they picked the names?
X equals negative B plus or minus the square root of B squared minus 4AC over 2A, and that equals Jack and Hill palette? That don't add up right. I thought she didn't want to collaborate with Morphe anymore.
Maybe you should add the potassium into the magnesium. That will probably give you a perfect blend.
You know what, Sir Scientist J? You're right. Let me mix this magnesium and potassium together. That probably will give me the perfect palette ever created on human Earth. Let's create something cool today. I have my powder, potassium, and my liquid magnesium. Let the perfect palette be created for all humanity. Oh my God!
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's another voiceover, but we're going to be getting into this mad scientist look. Make sure you guys subscribe to my channel. We're going to be using the CoverGirl True Matte Foundation in D70, and we're going to apply this all over the skin, a little bit on the eye to mute out any eyeshadows from previous looks, and just jump right on into creating this crazy scientist. Next, we're going to take the Make a Revolution concealer and we're going to conceal underneath the eyes, down the bridge of the nose, and also a little bit on the forehead, just as a natural highlight to bring a little bit of light in this smoky, dark situation. Next, we're going to go ahead and line a little bit with a brightening concealer underneath the goggles, just so that I can be able to highlight these particular areas. I'm going to be using the ColourPop concealer in the shade D46, and I'm just going to add this right beneath the goggles so that I can get a little bit more extra brightness in this particular areas, and also a little bit on the nose. Alright, so next I'm going to take the black paint pot from Wet n Wild, and I'm going to line around the goggles so that I can kind of see where the smoke ends, and I can start playing around with diffusing the smoke out and creating this look. So I'm going to take that same brush and I'm just going to kind of blend out those lines a little bit so it don't look too harsh or too neat in general, and just kind of give it that smokier vibe. To blend that even out more further, I'm going to take my finger and just kind of rub a little bit just to diffuse that black paint, and also rub it in just a little bit inwards from where the demarcation of the line started, so that it kind of looked like it just seeped underneath the goggles. Alright, so I'm going to place the goggles back on, and I'm going to add a little bit of paint on them as well too, just to kind of get the effect of the smoke blowing up in my face. I'm going to take that same paint pot in black and a beauty sponge, and I'm just going to dab that all over the goggles to create this smoky-esque vibe. Taking this Bare Minerals translucent powder, I'm just going to go ahead and set the black shadow cream pot, and it's going to kind of make it more of a gray tone, which is what I really want from this, and I'm happy the end results looked really good. So I'm just going to take a fluffy brush, I'm just going to dab this onto the areas of the face and just kind of set and blend out the powder. Next, I'm going to take a red eyeshadow from the Aphrodite palette, and I'm just going to smudge that all into the crease and on the lid. There's no particular reason why, but I do want to kind of have a lived-in bloody eye look. So I'm just taking that shadow and just kind of taking it all across the lid and a little bit underneath as well too, just to kind of round out the eye. Alright, now so I'm going to go ahead and pop on my coat that I had borrowed from one of my co-workers that is now a pharmacist. Shout out to you, honey bun. But I'm going to pop on this coat, and I am going to untie my hair, and I'm going to use a silver gray spray paint, and I'm going to spray paint that into my hair to kind of give that flash effect that I have been attacked by some chemical reactions.
Alright guys, so this pretty much wraps up this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Easy makeup on a budget, under 10 bucks. You cannot beat that. Can't beat that. So with that being said, make sure you guys subscribe to my channel so you guys don't miss out on any more makeup tutorials for Halloween, because I got some good things coming on down the week, honey. And last but not least, make sure you turn your post notification bell on so you don't miss out on any videos like this or glam videos at all. With that being said, I'm going to end this video here, and I will see you guys in the next one. Peace out, babes. Bye.